So now we've got our blocks. What we want to do is just loop through all of our blocks instead of just drawing them here. So we'll go for, I've got a snippet here. So things, these will just be blocks. Cool. And the full style will, instead of being blue, will be blocks, our current block dot color. Position X and position Y will be our block, our current block dot pos X, block dot pos Y. Let's just make this, we can do this. Block dot size and block dot size. They're more like squares, not blocks, but whatever. Cool, so we still have our block here, but it's not increasing speed anymore. That's because we haven't actually increased the speed. So what we need to do here is inside this loop, say block pos Y plus equals speed. And we can get rid of that, and it should go again. But now we've also lost our collision detection because we're checking on this block X and this block Y, which we're not using anymore. So we'll change this. We'll create a loop here in this event listener, and then we'll have the same thing. Cut this. Make this a bit neater. So our mouse position remains the same, but now the block positions change. So instead of block pos X, we'll have block blocks I dot pos X. Just copy that, and we'll change this. And instead of block size, we'll have plus size. We'll do the same thing for Y. Just copy this and change both of these and make them a Y. By the way, I'm using Sublime Text, so if you want to highlight the same text over multiple times, you just press Command D or Control D, and then here we want the size. Cool. So, and then also to reset the position, we need to reset it on the object, not on the global variable. So it's equal to 0. Now we should have the same thing. Cool. Now, the benefit of this is now if we wanted to, we could add another block. We just copy this. We'll make this one green. And we'll make the position X 400. So it's 200 pixels different. And now it should work for either of them. Cool.